Welcome back to my channel Aero Auto Defense. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss any updates about defense, fighter jets, missiles, and advanced military technology. Today, we are talking about the legendary F-22 Raptor, one of the most advanced and powerful stealth fighter jets in the world, and I'll give you the complete details about the latest upgrades planned for 2026 that will make this beast even deadlier. The U.S. Air Force has announced massive upgrades for the F-22 Raptor in the FY 2026 budget to maintain its air dominance. One of the biggest improvements is the Infrared Defensive System (IRDS), which will allow the Raptor to detect enemy missile launches much faster and more accurately. Along with that, the Synthetic Aperture Radar (SAR) is also being upgraded to improve range and target detection capabilities. The avionics system is getting a complete overhaul with new electronic warfare (EU) systems and a helmet-mounted display, giving pilots a more advanced interface and better situational awareness during combat. But the biggest game changer is coming in 2026. The F-22 Raptor will be integrated with autonomous drone wingmen under the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CC-8) program. For the first time, F-22 pilots will be able to control drones directly from the cockpit to assist in reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and even strike missions. Around $15 million has been allocated for this project, with 142 retrofit kits being developed and 56 aircraft set to receive the upgrades in 2026. This means the F-22 won't just be a fighter jet anymore, it will become a command hub, capable of managing multiple unmanned systems during high-intensity operations. The F-22 sensors are also undergoing a significant modernization program. Lockheed Martin and Raytheon have secured a $1.04 billion contract to upgrade the Raptor's sensor systems. These next-gen sensors will improve stealth, enhance target tracking, and strengthen detection against advanced threats. Alongside this, the Raptor's F-119 engines are receiving a massive $1.5 billion sustainment and modernization contract awarded to Pratt & Whitney. The upgrades will improve thrust, reliability, and overall engine lifespan, ensuring the Raptor remains one of the fastest and most maneuverable fighters in the world. In 2025, the F-22 Raptor celebrated 20 years of operational service and has already surpassed 500,000 flight hours. Despite its age, the Raptor still dominates the skies, but the U.S. Air Force is already working on the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, which will introduce the F-47, a sixth-generation fighter expected to replace the F-22 in the 2030s. Until then, the Raptor will remain the backbone of America's air superiority and a critical deterrent against emerging threats like China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57. Friends, if you enjoyed this update on the F-22 Raptor, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Aero Auto Defense for more exclusive updates. In my upcoming videos, I'll cover the F-22's new sensor capabilities, its drone integration system, and also compare it with its top rivals, the J-20 and Su-57.